Route 40. One of the most driven roads in Delaware and Maryland. And there's like no cars on here at all. Shannon's walking right out in the middle of 40. This is awesome. You can't really see too far ahead of you due to the snow. Sounds like something's coming. Oh, there's something coming that way too. There is. What did you say, about 2 hours ago this was plowed?
Yeah.
And it looks like it's already starting to build back up.
People driving cars.
Look at that. That's already the build up. Yeah, Chris was right. His Civic would get through this, wouldn't it? I guess once he got out of the driveway. I don't see that happening for a while.
What? What's he doing?
Playing. I think he forgot his lunch.